In Cisco UCS Manager, under the LAN tab, which subcategory should you select to configure a NIC template? Option A. LAN Cloud. Option B. Policies. Option C. Pools. Option D. Internal LAN. The correct answer is option B. What is the function of the WWPN pool? Option A. To assign WWPNs to the BIS. Option B. To assign WWPNs to the servers. Option C. To assign WWPNs to the VLANs. Option D. To assign WWPNs to the NICs. The correct answer is option A. Company XYZ has purchased a newly released Cisco UCS blade to expand their existing Cisco UCS system. Which three changes must the Cisco UCS administrator consider to ensure that the blade will interoperate with the existing environment? Choose 3. Option A. The Cisco UCS capability catalog may need to be upgraded. Option B. The Cisco UCS firmware version may need to be upgraded. Option C. The Cisco UCS management extension may need to be upgraded. Option D. No changes need to be made to the system. The correct answer is option A, B, C. To use the cluster configuration, 2 Cisco UC series fabric interconnects must be directly connected with Ethernet cables between which 2 of the options that are listed below? Choose 2. Option A. L1 to L1 ports. Option B. MGMT0 on MGMT1 ports. Option C. Cisco UCS 2104 fabric extenders. Option D. L2 to L2 ports. The correct answer is option A, D.